so fucking loud, dude.
My point. Oh fuck.
Yo,
Right
stick
in
the
the mountains I
landing.
go. Bye, Simon.
Stick the landing, bro. Stick the landing. Nice. Oh, on his wheels. No way. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, my fucking... What the hell? Why is it turning back on?
Simon.
Turn it
Forgot
on!
to close the door. Oops.
Oh yeah. My good design.
Yeah.
My very good design.
Your very delicious design.
That doesn't do shit. Oh,
What the
well,
fuck
kind
is
of.
this?
It was supposed to be a food tray, but it didn't really
What
work
the
either.
fuck?
We're going to
Okay,
ride.
hold on. No, hold on. I wanna fucking
What the
figure
fuck?
out my missile problem, bro.
Where's my big bitch? Alright, I need a dual rudder system.
On, let me see if this shit works. Why? Why are you being such a fucking coward?
Dude, it flown back so far.
Guess the only option is 4 fucking percent. But then I need to put this at 2. So then when it does this, but I was gonna hit the fucking ceiling. Bring it outside a bit.
Hold up. Wait a minute. This
Okay.
can't be right.
Ready? Set.
Right.
Go. You're looking?
Yes. What the
What
fuck?
was that?
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Oh, the missile's coming back. Oh no.
Missile's coming
Oh wow.
back.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh no. Oh no. I'ma just put that back to workbench, you know? But,
Yeah, good
what
idea.
happens if I do that? And then... Oh god, Jesus Christ.
Bro, what the fuck did I design this so shiny, bro? Come on, I should be able to make a better flying prison than this. Get out of the way. Oh shit. Are you out of the way?
No.
Get out of the way.
I'm out of the way. Oh my god. That's so funny.
Every
Yeah,
time.
let's try this. Wait, no, hold on. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Okay, before you fucking take off,
Just checking my rudders here.
you looking?
What the fuck?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, take off. Oh no.
Get fucked. You
I
coming
need
in?
to put the back fucking engine
What, you
much more.
want to come in for a little ride? Oh my god.
You wanna come in for a little boom?
Man, fuck this, I'm out. Launch.
Oh no. Bye. To my...
Wait, I have a
Wow.
rocket on me?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's not really a rocket though.
Oh my fuck, the lag. Get rid of it. Thank you. Pulling up. Don't hit me. Oh shit. Oh shit.
First time a hit, bro. Oh my god. It's
We're going
actually
down.
good.
Dude, it fucked up my rudder system.
I got you so well too. Wow.
Fuck,
Alright,
dude,
I'm pretty
that was
proud
a-
of that.
That was a clean hit. Oh shit,
Yeah.
it's gonna take off by itself again. It's gonna take off by itself again. It's gonna take off by itself again. You're gonna get your ass kicked when I'm on my day. I'm running over these stairs.
Let me know when you're taking off.
You'll hear it. Fuck!
Oh no.
Dude, there's 2 tornadoes.
Where? Oh my god.
One over there and there's one over there. I think I fucked it up. It don't fly no more. What the fuck? Yes, it do.
What the fuck?
Cause I more size.
Oh, the missile. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Missile left. Missile has left the chat, bro.
Oh fuck. Don't spawn anything, don't spawn anything, don't spawn anything, don't spawn anything, don't spawn anything. Do you think we could road trip the person?
Bye, Small.
Oh shit. I dodged it. Oh fuck, I didn't.
Missile still going, bro.
Do some maneuvers.
Bro, that missile hit so well. What if I make like 7 of them?
Just gonna let this thing coast by itself here. Fuck, that's loud. That's really loud. That's really, really loud. I hear other sirens. Do you hear that too?
That's you, retard.
No, that's not me. It's not me. That is not me. Oh fuck, meteors, 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 meteors.
Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow.
Oh fuck. Forest fire, forest fire, forest fire. Where's my jail? Oh my. Jer. You can see it. You can see it through the fucking game. What the fuck? I swear to God, dude, that's not me making those sirens. I knew it. The lag.
The sheer amount of fucking lag.
The lag. Oh my god. Bro, I can't even respawn. Oh my god. Please just let me respawn. Come on, game. 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 Please don't crash. Game. Oh my god, the server crashed. The server crashed. Oh, no, it's back. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Why is there still sirens? Is it these guys?
Wait, you need to turn those off.
Bro, oh, there you go. What the fuck? Oh my god! What this? Dude, look how many forest fires is in our area.
Oh my god.
This is so many.
Wait, watch out, watch out! Aww.
Oh shit. This is what is a menace to society. This is a menace to society.
Wait, hold on, don't spawn anything. Oh no, 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 oh no.